I don't have to tell you about the popularity of the garden rose, but I can tell you about the new premium English rose from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. Available in these 4 colors, they are fantastic. You just look at those and you go, yeah, those, are they real or are they not? So what we're going to do is create a beautiful centerpiece using these roses in the Sydney eucalyptus. And you'll see that I'll be creating first kind of the outline of my design, and then we'll add the roses. You can see it's hard to tell. Are they real